Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Infiniti QX60. Remote starting offers great convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down your vehicle before entry. This feature is especially useful in extreme weather conditions, significantly enhancing your comfort. We will cover the simple, step-by-step process to activate this function effectively. Before attempting to remote start, ensure your Infiniti QX60 is ready. All doors must be completely closed and locked for the system to engage. The hood also needs to be securely latched. Finally, confirm the gear selector is firmly in the park position. These crucial safety measures prevent accidental operation. To initiate the remote start, first press the lock button on your Infiniti key fob. Immediately after, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the circular remote start button. Continue holding it for at least 2 seconds. The vehicle's parking lights will flash, confirming the engine has successfully started. Once activated, your Infiniti QX60 engine will run for approximately 10 minutes. You can extend this duration by repeating the remote start sequence once, adding another 10 minutes. To shut off the engine remotely, simply press and hold the remote start button again for about 2 seconds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.